Alright, I guess I'm doing take 4, just because I keep doing dumb shit. But yo, this is Toph Media. Just gonna do a quick video on how to do like wheel edits like this. They're super simple, super easy, and they look really cool. Um, I'm not a public speaker. I don't record videos like this. I don't know what I'm doing half the time. Hence, this is being the fourth take of trying to do this. Um, but pretty much to do this edit, all you want to do is open up Photoshop, put in the main image that you want, and then you want to just drag it down here to copy it. You want a second layer for it. Make sure you're on the first image, and then take your wheel edit picture, drag it in, and select the top layer. And then you want to go into the object selection here. You want to make sure that it's on the first one because it's going to do an automatic like subject detection of where you hold your mouse over. So it's doing a pretty good job of cutting out the car. It does better than I would if I used the pen tool and took no time to cut it out, and it saves me a lot of time to do it. So it automatically selects the car, and you just hit this button here and it'll cut out the background. And you can already see that the wheel edit is coming in. You just want to resize it, bring it up, something like that. I got up a little bit more, and make sure you're still on this one, and go into your eraser. And for the eraser, I like having it on a bigger size and a softer hardness, just because when you go to erase it, it's more of like a softer, I guess, erase. It's not a hard line. If you want, I'd recommend doing this, obviously. Um, if you don't know where your image is, I've done this picture 1,000 times already, and four in the last like 10 minutes trying to do this video. It's also 12:30 at night. I'm tired from work. I'm not trying to be loud this late at night. But if you lower the opacity on the wheel picture, you can see things on the main image that you don't want to show, just because it's going to look out of place, I guess, is the best word to use. You want it to be a nice, gradual fall into like the edit. Like if you can get pictures where the road in the wheel picture and the road in the main picture is the same shade, bonus points because it's going to be so much easier to do. But pretty much just something super simple, something super quick like this. Um, I obviously spent like 30 seconds doing it, so it's nothing crazy. If I'm doing this for a client or doing something that I'm gonna post, I'm obviously gonna take a lot more time with it just to make sure everything is perfect. But just for a quick tutorial video, this is honestly perfectly fine. I might continue to do like editing tutorials, um, maybe like a POV shoot if I get a GoPro sometime soon. I've been wanting to do that for a while, but just don't really have the funds for a GoPro at the moment. I have mine set on other things at the moment to purchase, but like a new camera because I'm still on an old camera. But one day, one day. But yeah, just a quick little edit tutorial on how to do something like this. It's nice for the Instagram feed. It's nice and something different. Super easy to do. When you first start to do it, it's gonna be kind of difficult, but yeah, the more you do it, the faster it's gonna go. But yeah, just let me know if you guys want to see more editing tutorials. I obviously don't talk very often to myself for a video, so I don't know what I'm doing. I might have to do a fifth take, but yeah, just follow me on Instagram at Toph Media. I'll be posting. I'll be possibly doing more videos, and we'll see how everything goes. But yeah, have a good one.